Clioc is a company that brings hope to cancer patients by giving oncology services through our cancer center. I'm proud to say that Clioc has evolved to a company that puts our patients first. I've personally seen our clinical staff work so hard just to put our patients first. There were even times to where our cancer patients don't have money to start with their procedure, and our clinical staff, our cancer coordinators, and even our finance team would do great efforts just to make sure that the patient would go home with the treatment. So I'm really happy that I am part of this culture. And we are celebrating our 5th year anniversary, and I'm grateful that we have reached this far and helped so many patients as well as empowering people in the company. My message to everyone would be, of course, happy anniversary, Clioc, to the staff and to my colleagues. Let us not stop doing good to everyone, especially to whom God has called us to help. And to our dear patients, we love you and we care for you. Don't give up. God is good and we are here for you.
Hello everyone! Gusto ko sana first of all, i-congratulate yung buong management natin and our company for our 5th anniversary. And I'd like to thank Clioc for all the opportunities and lahat ng mga learnings na I was able to partake during my whole tenure and employment in Clioc. First time ko na mag-stay ng matagal sa isang company. Probably it's because yung work in Clioc doesn't feel like work at all. Every day I come to the unit and it's just so natural coming in and then serving our patients and then working with all of you guys. So I would like to thank everybody, all the departments, not only my department, chemotherapy, but also the tomotherapy unit, the finance and the admin, and the marketing as well. So I hope and I pray that we will continue to serve our patients and to serve more cancer patients, not only here in Pampanga, but across the region. Thank you.
Clioc. High five, Clioc!
High five, Leo! High five, Leo!